Recognizing that our ever-increasing demand for connectivity requires continual expansion of the mobile network, the UK Health Security Agency measured publicly accessible areas near active base stations to answer a number of questions, including: what is the RF EMF exposure from 5G sites? How do these exposures compare to other environmental sources of RF? Is there a difference between sites using beamforming and those that don't? Using the new international measurement standard IEC 62232, researchers assessed exposure for 4 scenarios: background levels, video streaming, speed tests, and worst-case extrapolations in a wide variety of different locations in southern England, including both residential and commercial areas. With many sites hosting more than one network's equipment, they were able to test a total of 56 base stations across 30 sites, with 21 of these using beam steering technology. The result? Even in the highest use scenarios, exposure levels remained well within international public safety limits, under 5% even when extrapolated to the worst-case scenario, and averaging just 1% or less. Interestingly, 4G downlink was still the main contributor to total RF exposure. On average, 5G accounted for less than 10% of total RF exposure. The study also compared beamforming and non-beamforming sites and found no meaningful difference in exposure levels between them. Streaming videos did not significantly increase exposure. Thanks to 5G's high speed, the network transmits data quickly and efficiently, so the phone doesn't need to stay connected for long. Although exposure tended to decrease with distance from the tower, distance alone was a poor predictor. Other factors like network load, base station power, and the physical environment played a bigger role. So how does 5G RF exposure compare to 4G and other RF sources? According to this study, real-world 5G exposure in public places was similar to the low levels found in other countries and well within the limits recommended by international standards.